those happy dogs. Look at that tail wag. He's gonna go on a walk. Come here, Maya. Come here. Okay, that's fine. I know, you're so excited. What's about to happen?
I'm picking up your dog's crap.
Yeah, because she poops on every single walk.
I thought there was a hole in the bag. Ew, it's warm. Ew, I'm like grabbing it. So gross.
Now flip it and tie a knot.
Crap, I missed a tiny piece. Go on there, buddy. No, it's on my shoe. Okay, I'm using another bag.
Double bag day.
I swear, out of all the times I need to pick up your dog's poop,
She does the
it's when
biggest.
she does the biggest pile.
Good
Maya's
girl.
whining like, come on, I got it out of my system.
Let's go.
Okay.
Now tie a knot at the top.
I don't know how.
Tie a knot. Alright, we're gonna go because Maya wants to go.
So let's go. That was probably the biggest poop I've ever seen Maya do, you guys. And it was the day that I need to pick it up.
The one time that we agreed that he would pick up her poop.
No, I did not agree to
She
this.
poops every single day.
And she poops within this area and that area. She smells something.
Wow.
Okay. He wants to stop, but I have a fresh bag of crap that is just getting smellier and smellier the longer we wait.
You're not gonna post this on YouTube.
Yes, I am.
You're gonna get people unsubscribing for this.
No. Don't unsubscribe. Subscribe. Oh, it stinks. I mean, hey, at least it's a pretty day. I mean, look at the mountains. Beautiful. Aspen, can you stop pulling me? I'm trying to make a video. Can you...
Easy.
Maya wants to go. Can you just... What are you doing?
I'm
Can
hatching
you
an
just...
egg.
No.
Because I'm healthy.
No. This poop's not getting any better.
Video is sponsored by Pokemon Go.
No, it's sponsored by Maya's poop. Oh gosh. I'm pretty sure there's baby quails in here. Cause didn't we just see them, Kylie?
Yeah, there were two.
Yeah, I see them. I don't know if you can see them, you guys, but they're pretty cute.
Pokemon.
And there are so many bugs in the air. Oh, look at all of them!
Where?
They're right there. Do you see them? Yeah.
Yep.
They're cute. Birds are everywhere. They want the dog poop. You guys are doing so stinging good. What do you have to say to my dog?
Your dog?
Yeah, my dog.
Please poop.
No!
What made you want to marry?
It's so cute. Maya! Maya! She's like, what do you want? I looked at you. That's all you get. Aspen! She just doesn't care. She's like, I don't want to look at you.
Look at me! I demand that you look at me right now. Look at me!
Oh, Maya comes over. Maya, how do you manage to get yourself tangled like 5 times in a single walk? And Aspen, how are you tangled with Kylie? Yeah, she does that a lot.
Yes, good.
Finally, I'm not being blinded by the singing sun. It was so bad.
Don't poke your nose on that.
That would hurt.
Last week. There's my baby girl.
She's so cute. Do you guys like the construction site?
And she's like, if you don't like the horse poop, then you can leave. Because this is a horse poop.
Yeah.
And yeah, horse.
Aspen, look at the pretty flowers. Oh no, there's a fire hydrant. Run! It's a fire hydrant! Maya.
Sure. I love you.
Make that the 6th time.
No, that's like the 10th.
Yeah.
Papaya.
I will kick your butt.
Not really.
No, I love her.
Keep coming, keep coming. Oh, no.
But
We're almost home, puppies. I see your house right there. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Whoa.
she didn't walk me straight.
It's all your fault, Maya. Oh, she's tripping me. You made it, dogs.
I'm like, why would you get in your garden if you're being kicked out?
Aspen, Maya. Hi, you guys. Oh, hello. What are you guys doing on the carpet? That's your bark. What? What do you smell? Maya. 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 You done? Can you talk now, Aspen? Sounds so derpy.